Welcome to part 3. Sorry there's so many parts, it'd just be a super long video, and I didn't have enough room to upload a super long video. Yeah, but now we have two more candies. I don't even know if this requires as candy. Go check out the previous videos, they're pretty cool. We have crickets and larvas.
Larvas, which are like tiny
crickets,
worms.
Salt and vinegar flavor, and we have larvas, cheddar cheese flavor.
Let's
We're gonna do larvas first. Look at them. I never have tasted these before. I've always wanted to try them, but I never have.
Like, I've been seeing them like all over YouTube, and we found them at Galveston, so we thought we would try them.
Here you go.
Oh, they had tiny little eyeballs.
Here you go.
If I throw up, it's...
Okay, are you ready?
Oh, they have little legs! I'm doing it at the butt.
Okay.
That's cool. Oh, just go for it.
Okay, 3, 2,
Just
1. It's crunchy. There's not much flavor to it. It's crunchy and chewy. Oh, I got a little cheese flavor. They're not bad.
I can't believe I ate a worm
Yeah,
or larva.
our grandpa eats them alive.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time for crickets.
I'm scared about these.
My uncle is afraid of crickets.
And our dad. He's afraid of grasshoppers.
Look at these.
And I think I saw one move earlier.
Yeah, she thought she... I don't think they moved because they're dried. We're going to get one full cricket each.
Oh.
How do I open it? Okay, are you ready?
No. Oh, that really smells.
I don't smell it. Okay, here you go.
Oh. Guys, look at that.
Here.
It's not focusing.
Here, watch out.
Oh,
Let me do
yeah.
that.
I got the daddy cricket. I know it. Why does it look like a bee?
Here it is. It's a cricket.
Let's crack it open.
3, 2,
Ooh.
1. Oh!
Oh, it tastes like sunflower seeds.
It does. She just ate another one. These taste like dried sunflower seeds. The salt and vinegar taste doesn't taste that well. It's just the texture. It's super crunchy and chewy, and it's like can't believe I just ate these.
Ha ha.
So that was our candy / gross food taste test. We just went to Pleasure Pier earlier. Check out that video.
Which is the boardwalk.
It's not the boardwalk, it's the pier. Okay, that's it for this video. Check out the ones before this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye!